How to post a TikTok video. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open the TikTok application on your device and make sure you are signed in. Now, tap on your profile icon or simply tap on the plus icon you see there at the bottom center of your screen, and you can then tap on the record button in order to create a new video, or you can also simply go ahead and tap on the camera icon on the bottom left of your screen in order to add in pictures from your camera roll. So go ahead and choose your preferred option, and once you have your preferred option, tap on next. You can then edit your video, so tap on the trim option you see there if you want to trim your video. Additionally, you can add in sounds, text, effects, magic, and captions to your video. You can also apply filters and effects, or you can add in captions and adjust the timing if needed. So go ahead and make your preferred changes and then tap on the next option on the top right. You will then be required to add in a caption to your post. So go ahead and add in the caption of what describes your video. You can also add in relevant hashtags and tags friends if you want. And once you are done making the changes, simply tap on the everyone can view this post option and choose your audience depending on your preference. Now, tap on the next option or the post option in order to publish your video, and if your video is not ready to share it yet, you can also tap on the drafts option to save it for later and post it later. So this was about how you can post a video on TikTok. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.